I recently got a new router that supports 2.5 gigabit Ethernet, and my main PC has a 2.5G NIC built in, so I figured I'd upgrade my server's NIC as well. This one is compatible with many different versions of Windows, but I specifically needed one that was Linux compatible for my Unraid server. It came with the card itself, as well as some screws and a mini screwdriver. I actually love these mini screwdrivers, but always seem to lose them, so I was happy to see it in the bag. There's also a low-profile bracket to fit smaller PC cases, as well as a CDR-looking disc labeled drivers. I powered down my server, grounded myself, and connected the NIC to a free PCI Express slot in the server. I then powered it on with both NICs connected, and Unraid detected it right away. There was no need to install any specific Linux driver, it just worked. In fact, the only software installation, if you even want to call it that, is simply waiting for it to be detected, and then swapping it as the main NIC in Unraid settings, then just rebooting again. And that was it. Of course, performance is all that matters with stuff like this, so let's take a look at some speed tests with the original gigabit NIC. The first method I used to test shows just about gigabit download speeds, with pretty slow write speeds, which are probably a result of my server's slower drives. I also double-checked with a basic Windows SMB file transfer and got pretty consistent download speeds, with upload speeds slowing down as a large file was transferred. So basically both tests matched. Now here's the same tests with the new NIC. You can see a substantial speed increase in both read and write, with read speeds nearing the 2.5G limit. And the Windows file tests matched here as well, once again with the upload speed slowing down over the course of the large file. So there you go, just a basic overview and speed test proving that this card is easily compatible with Linux and does run at the advertised speeds. I didn't really do a deep dive, which is weird for me because I usually deep dive every single thing that I buy and review. However, this is in a computer, my server, that's going to be used 24/7, so I feel like I couldn't possibly give it more of a harsh test than just letting it be used every day. And if I have any problems with it whatsoever, I'll come back, delete and re-upload this video and let you know about any problems I've had. But so far so good. And really, how often do network cards just randomly die or stop working? Usually they either don't work right from the beginning or die after a reasonable period of time, years in the future. So fingers crossed, but I can't think of a reason not to recommend this. So give it a shot.